Hello, what's going on everybody? Shravan over here from behalf of Techulk.com. Today we are going to learn about how to add a free SSL certificate on your WordPress website. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, create a Cloudflare account by giving your email ID and password and agreeing the Cloudflare's terms and condition option. And after that, log into your Cloudflare account and hit add a site on your dashboard. Now in here, give your website's domain name and hit begin scan option. It will take around 25 minutes to scan your whole website, but I'm skipping the video so that it would be not lengthy. Now hit continue option. Now scroll down and again hit the green option to continue. Now here, as we are using a free version, we will hit the free website option and continue with the process. Now this is the most important part of the whole tutorial. You have to change your current name servers to a new name servers. First of all, copy your first name server and log into your hosting account where you have purchased your domain. I have GoDaddy. Log into your GoDaddy account and hit manage domains option. Click the three dots and hit manage DNS settings and scroll down to add name servers. Hit change option and select custom name servers. Paste your first name server and copy down the second name server and paste it on the second line and hit save. Since the records have been saved, let's check if the changes happen. Yeah. Now let's go to your Cloudflare dashboard and hit continue. Now click the recheck name servers option on the right. Now your website has been queued up to be rescanned by Cloudflare. Now currently you're pretty much done with the process. Now what we have to do is add a plugin to your WordPress dashboard. So log into your WordPress account and go to plugins and hit add new. Search for a plugin named as Flexible SSL by iControlWP and install the plugin and activate it. Now go back to your Cloudflare account and hit crypto. Select Flexible SSL certificate and scroll down to always use HTTP option and turn it on. It will automatically redirect your traffic to HTTPS from HTTP. Now to fix the mixed content issue, we are going to turn on the automatic HTTPS rewrite option down below. Now you are mostly done. There is a single change you have to make on your WordPress account. That is to change your site URL to HTTPS. So for that, go to your WordPress account and go to settings and hit general. Change your site address or URL to HTTPS and hit the Save Changes option. Now you are done. So let's check everything we have implemented is working or not. And yeah, our website has been loaded successfully with the HTTPS secure padlock sign. Now let's check whether the HTTPS redirection is also working or not, and voila, it's also working. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any kind of problems regarding this topic, you can comment it down below in the comment section, and I'm also leaving behind a detailed article related to this topic down below in the description too. So till then, stay subscribed for more. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.